Hello everyone, my name is Franco Pucci. I am the technical consultant for the STS Association and I've been involved in the prepayment industry for over 25 years. Welcome to the STS training video series where we will explore all aspects of the STS and the STS standard. I hope you find these videos helpful. In this video we'll be looking at TID Rollover. What is the TID Rollover? Many videos exist explaining the TID Rollover process. Please refer to the links on the STS website if you need more information. We'll talk about the basic process for the TID Rollover. How do I know if my meters are compliant or not? And if I want to do my own tests in the field, how can I do this? So let's look at the basic process. The first thing you need to do is update your vending system to be compliant with the STS Edition 2 specifications. Decide if you will use manual or automatic key change token generation when you're doing your TID Rollover project. Select small areas to test the TID Rollover process on, and then do the TID Rollover to all of the meters. So that's the basic process you need to follow. How do I know if the meters in the field are TID Rollover compliant? First of all, check the certificates of the meters on the STS website. And you will see there if the STS Edition 2 or STS Edition 1. If the certification was done from 2014 and later, they have been tested for compliance. However, remember that all meters should be compliant. This was a specification requirement since the publication of the first STS standard. So theoretically, every meter in the field today should be compliant. And if you're still not sure, then take a meter sample out of the field. Make sure you have both the current SGC that will be on key revision 1 and the new SGC which will be on key revision 2 vending keys loaded into your vending system. Generate a credit token using KRN1 SGC and the date of the 1st of the 1st 1993 at 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is a very small TID value. The token will be rejected as old. Change the meter key to a new SGC KRN2 key. This will do a rollover key change. Enter the token previously generated on the old key, and this will be rejected by the meter because the meter key has been changed. Now generate a new credit token on the new supply group code, which would be key revision 2, using a date of the 1st of the 1st 2014 at 8 o'clock. The meter will accept it. This completes the test. It shows that the TID memory has been cleared and the meter key has changed. The meter is therefore TID Rollover compliant. And if we look at this in picture form, what you have is you have a point of sale with a security module attached to it, and it's got essentially a supply group code with two key revisions, key revision 1 and key revision 2. And then you have your meter sample that you want to test. So the first thing you do, get your POS to generate a credit token using the key revision 1 supply group code with a TID value of the 1st of the 1st 1993 at 8 o'clock in the morning. The token credit value can be any small value you like. If you enter that into the meter sample, it should show the token as old, because obviously it's the very first date of the base date. Then do a key revision 1 to key revision 2 key change. So in other words, you're doing a key change token set from key revision 1 to key revision 2. This changes the meter key. So the meter should respond with, okay, it's changed its meter key. Then the same credit token, KRN1, 1st of the 1st 1993, 8 o'clock in the morning, try and enter that into the meter. The meter will reject it with a CRC error. Why is that? It's because the meter key has been changed with the rollover key change tokens. Then generate a token on KRN2 with a TID value of the 1st of the 1st 2014 at 8 o'clock in the morning. Enter that into the meter and the meter should accept it. That means the TID stack has been cleared and the meter has key changed to a 2014 base date. The tests are now completed and the meter you've tested is compliant with the TID rollover. So what have we shown in this test? First of all, we've shown that the meter TID memory check works because it rejected the first one because it was old. Then we did a key change, and what we've shown now with the CRC error is that the key change has worked and the key revision 1 tokens have been rejected. Then you generated a token on the key revision 2 date and it accepted it, which means the TID memory was cleared back to 0 and it accepted the very first token that's possible on the new TID base date. After all this has been done, it therefore means that your meter is TID rollover compliant. So you can do this test by yourself if you like, or if you're still not sure if your meters are TID rollover compliant, take a sample meter from the field, change the meter from its current SGC to a default supply group code, send the meter sample to the STS association. The STS association will test the meter for TID rollover compliance and send you a report. This is a free service offered by the STS association. Remember to watch the TID rollover videos and visit the TID rollover website at www.tidrollover.com. This brings us to the end of this part of the video series. I hope you found this video helpful and hope you will join us for the rest of the series. Goodbye and see you again soon.